Hi, and welcome to my Genetics Exam 1 mini video. Today we will be doing the Twilight Saga meeting genetics. Now, if you aren't familiar with the Twilight Saga, there is a human named Bella, shown here. And she falls in love with and marries a vampire named Edward, shown over here. And they have a daughter named Renesmee who's half human and half vampire. And it's not specifically stated in the book, but it's alluded to the fact that when she grows up, she marries Jacob over here. And for the purposes of this assignment, we're going to assume that they have two kids, a daughter named Emily and a son named Jacob Jr. And the trait we are talking about today, if it isn't obvious, is blood-sucking. So Edward, Renesmee, and Jacob Jr. display the trait, and Bella, Jacob, and Emily do not. Over here are the modes that are consistent with this pedigree: X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, autosomal dominant, and autosomal recessive. And these are color coordinated with the possible genotypes next to each individual. For example, all of the pink genotypes coordinate with the X-linked dominant mode, and the green coordinates with autosomal dominant, shown here, for example. And the only mode that is not consistent with this pedigree is the Y-linked mode. So I'm just going to go through real quick why that would not work. Just bear with me a second. So it would work here in the first generation because Edward is a male and he has the Y chromosome, and we're going to do big B for blood-sucking. So he would display the trait and Bella would not. However, it doesn't work in the second generation because their daughter Renesmee does display the trait, but she does not have a Y chromosome because she is a female. So that's why the Y-linked trait would not work. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.